Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 26, 2025, we're diving deep into the QQQ, examining both the latest news and the corresponding chart data to equip you with the insights you need for informed trading decisions. Recent headlines paint a mixed picture. We've got Trump's tariff threats looming, particularly the potential for tariffs on Apple products not made in the US, which is weighing on tech sentiment overall. There's also the anticipation surrounding Nvidia's earnings, a key indicator for the AI sector and the Nasdaq's direction. All this combined has created some choppiness in the market. Let's start with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart for QQQ, we can see a volatile market environment with some significant swings in price recently. We saw a drop in early April, followed by a strong recovery and now a more recent pullback. The most recent candle shows some buying pressure, but overall, the trend is somewhat unclear. These larger swings can correlate with events like tariff news and big earnings reports like we expect out of Nvidia. It's important to correlate big price swings with market news. Let's zoom in on a specific area of the chart to get some context. Now let's narrow our focus to the period from around May 5th to May 23rd. Here we see QQQ tested the 507 price range on a few occasions. We see a sharp rise, but also a sharp fall that brings us to today's close. We're ending up near where we began the month, which shows that the market is undecided overall. Now, let's move on to the hourly chart to get a closer look at the intraday price action. Switching over to the hourly chart, we can see the volatility even more clearly. Notice how price action is choppy. The hourly chart highlights a support level around the 506 area, which has been tested multiple times. A break below this level could signal further downside. On the upside, resistance seems to be forming around 511 to 512. If QQQ can break above this area, it could pave the way for a retest of recent highs. The 15-minute chart can show even shorter-term signals to be aware of. Looking at the 15-minute chart, there's quite a bit of intraday back and forth here. We see a decline into the open today, and the market is currently around the 509 area. This area will be critical to watch in the short term to see if bears will bring the price even lower or if bulls will try to sustain it here. Overall, QQQ is caught between conflicting forces. The market is in wait and see mode. To recap, key price levels to watch are the 506 support area on the downside and the 511 to 512 resistance range on the upside. A break below 506 could trigger a bearish move towards 500, while a break above 512 could signal a bullish continuation towards 515 with a 30% chance to reach it, and only if the bullish momentum can sustain the price throughout the week. Also, pay attention to upcoming Nvidia earnings, as they're very likely to impact the AI sector and the overall tech sector. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see you next time.